Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable share option in Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, let's open up our Facebook app. Then press the three lines on the right side of the screen. Then Profile, and then let's just go to one of my posts. Let's pretend this is the post you would like to be able to tweak and add the share option to. You can already see it doesn't have one around here. However, you can change that by pressing the three dots just at the right hand side of the screen here, and then selecting Edit Privacy, and this is the biggest factor. If any privacy settings prevent someone from sharing it, you can simply go here and select Public, which lets practically anyone see this and share it. The next thing is that if I return to my home feed and look for a post, this would be an example of someone posting on Facebook without the option to share it. There really is no option for someone like me to actually add a share button, since in this situation, I could send this post's link to someone if I wanted to, so I can touch on the three dots at the top right of that post. Then you'll see that you can save the post and do all kinds of stuff, but it really doesn't give us the ability to just share it. When there isn't an actual share button available, all I can do is make sure to take a screenshot of this, and afterward I could go into the screenshot and crop that screenshot a little bit. After that, I can simply share that as a photo rather than share it as a normal post on Facebook. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.